This one here for another VIP client. Hold tight, my guy Bread Lifestyle. You know, this one's fresh off the press as well. You know, it's never the same. It's not normal. So we've got here. Come on, you got to use the magnifying glass, you know, to get the word in and that. Bread, never give up. Uptown, NGU. This is the bespoke piece. This has the pillowcases. Let's go. So what we've got here, pillowcase. It says Egyptian cotton here, leather panel here, gold embroidery, Bread, never give up, Uptown NGU. We've got a velvet panel here, and again, the rest of it detailed with Egyptian cotton here as well. Hold tight, Bread. This one's en route, my brother. And then, this is the center of the duvet cover. Bread in gold, never give up, Uptown NGU. Hold tight, BP, you know. If you know, you know. Right, now I'm gonna show you one of the other features of this duvet cover. So here, I've got the leather panel again to match. So we got Egyptian cotton, leather panel. This is lambskin, by the way. We've got a velvet panel here again, and then we've got a remote control pocket here for the control. Pity I don't have one today to show you. This is all bespoke, made especially for the client. Bread, soon come.